Good morning. It is about 6 o'clock and it's about 37 degrees outside. I know that's not cold by most standards, but here in California, that's a polar vortex. So I'm going to be heading out in that and doing a photo shoot of something that's been on my mind for a while and that I've wanted to capture. So where are we going first? Of course, coffee. So it is sunrise. It's just coming up over the trees over here, and curious to see what that light looks like. But I'm out here on a property on Westside Road here in Healdsburg called Westside Farms. It's owned by Ramey Wine Cellars. They were kind enough to let me come out here and make some images and video and kind of cruise around today and see what I can get. So mustard comes up every year in February usually, and it's a nice pop of color. Reminds us that spring is right around the corner, and I absolutely love it, and I've always wanted to photograph it, but I've never actually done it. So yeah, let's see what we can get. I feel really lucky to live here in Sonoma County. There are so many different locations to shoot and the possibilities are endless. Today I'm shooting with the Fuji X-T2 for stills as well as video. And then I've got my DJI Spark as well as my iPhone XR. I made a time lapse of the sunrise on the barn that you saw earlier. So those are the three items that I'm using today. I might break out my X-T1 with the 35mm on it. Let's see how I feel, and you know, I'll let you know when I do that, if I do it here in this video. So I'm just realizing now that I never showed you my coffee. Here it is. It's a Yeti. And it's actually still warm. So that about wraps it up for today. You're never too old to start something new. My name is John Weinberg with Photo48.com. Till next time, take care.